We'll guide you through how to make a private server on Blox. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. With a private server, you can go and choose who can go and be with you and play in your server. Go into the Roblox app on a mobile or PC, and what you can then do is go and find Blox and go and click on it. What you then need to do is go and scroll down till you see this list here and go and find the option for servers at the bottom. Click there. Now, what you can do is we can go and see private servers here. We can see the price, which is 200 Robux, and we can press create private server in the top right. Give this a name, I'll name it GuideRealm, and then what we can do is press subscribe. This will go and run you monthly, but we can always go and cancel it if we wish, and we've now gone and purchased it. We can press customize, and you can go and choose if friends are allowed, and you can go and add server members as well. And then what we can do is press back to private servers in the top right, and we can go and scroll down, and we can then go and click servers, and we can go and see our server just here. And what I can do is go and press join, and we're now joining the private server we just made.